I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
My KTM is driving circles around your Yamaha. Okay. Well, I just about got sprayed by dirt. Oh yeah. Okay, buddy, we're out for a ride. It just got done snowing and raining and doing all kinds of hail and crazy stuff. So we're waiting for one of our buddies, and they just got here, so now we're just gonna go do some crazy ass shit. Oh boy, this is gonna be tough. I'm just gonna do it. Oh yeah, I skipped it a little bit there, but back on track. We gotta go catch these guys. What in the hell? Oh yeah. He was on choke still. Keep on leaving it on choke and it just loads up. Oh yeah. Got some power, baby. We're gonna go over here behind this Discover Center here, probably check this out. Oh, fuck you, bud. Yeah. Look at this little mini truck. Imagine how much fun you can have with that. Look at that. Going with a bunch of gay boys driving their 4-stroke. Oh yeah. None of them are gay, but they're just driving like these machines that are 4-stroke, so they're not as fast as ours. But that's fine. We like going slow anyways. We're out here. Finally. It's about 36 degrees, I suppose. So basically, after all this riding, we're pretty much frozen up by this time. Oh yeah, I'll probably kick some rocks up in somebody's face. They don't like me anymore, I bet. That's fine. If you don't want to be in the lead, you probably have a 4-stroke. Look at these camera guys up in the front row. This is what I love about these two guys. They fucking always go in the front. Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see just, oh, I'm just riding down the trail. Everybody wants to see like a whole bunch of fucking dirt bikes in front of you. Video that, you know what I mean? Like, ride behind the guys so you can see how cool they're riding. So, but that's the way I see it. Let's let these guys go. Buddy. Oh yeah. By this time, about 36 degrees. My hands are getting a little bit cold. So we'll probably do some slow technical stuff, warm up. Whatever. I think that's a like falls. There is a fucking waterfall. That's beautiful. that on camera. That's pretty neat. What?
You're following me, you gotta fall, aren't you?
I'm following you because I know you're gonna fall. You're not gonna fall. Fucking Dalton here got a fucking Pro Series bike and now he thinks he can just do everything. Nothing but the best. I just will crash because I'm trying to flip off Brennan. Just will flip. Flipped on my side there. Fucking flopping fish out of water. Oh shit. Checking out the view. I feel like there's a 4-stroke behind me. I can hear this little 4-stroke thing. You wouldn't understand. Oh, fuck you, bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought he was gonna make it. Shit. No, I have to try it if it's undoable. Great. That's really hard. It has a 2-step. Huh. Oh yeah, I sure would like to do that hill climb. Let's go. Let's fucking go, brother. This is a fun one. I sure do like doing this. Mountain steps. Oh yeah. Fuck you, buddy. An unorganized crew. Just what we always dreamed of. Because it's so much funner when you're always just looking around for your buddies. Oh yeah, that's right. The last time I saw Brennan, he was stuck upside down on this little hill climb. And so I went up over the hill, shot rocks at him, and left. Oh yeah, he's down there. Well, see you later, Brennan. Have a nice fucking day. Oh yeah, this is a cliff, so don't go down there. Oh yeah, fuck you, bud. Come on. What'd you do? You feel it? That got a little sketch. Should have reached for my rear brake there. Oh, I killed it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just barely made that one. It just looks like a death trap to me.
Huh?
Just looks like a death trap to me with all the fucking slide rocks. I think I could have done it with the 125, but
Right here is like a line of rock on it. You gonna do it?
I don't know. He's looking at it, and I came over and told him no, and he just said yeah. Oh yeah. Holy fuck.
Be careful with the fender, it's broken. You just wanna go 2 up? We can leave it up there.
Your bike's up there.
No, he's working today. Good. Yeah, I'll let him know. Behind Prism. Slide down a little. No. Macy's sick and actually doesn't have a bed side. How do you brake was it? It been go down like that? Pay for it then. You barely even rode your bike. Yeah, okay.
Pretty good. You know what? That's a dedicated cameraman that just refuses to come up there and help you because he's doing the camera.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.